In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the difference between DSUM and SUMIF. So here we have a table in which we have a job title and annual salary of all the different positions. Okay, so if you want to calculate the total salary of senior manager position from this table, senior manager is used at different positions. Okay, with different salaries. So now you want to get the total of senior manager salary here. For that, you have to use DSUM formula. So for that, you have to type is equal to DSUM bracket open. And the first, here we have three things: database, field, and criteria. So database, this is the range of cell that contain your data, including column headers. So this job title and annual salary is a column header. So you have to select the entire table or entire range of cells where your data exists, including column headers. Okay, now you have to press comma, then field. Field, this is the specific column within your database that you want to perform calculations on. You can either use the column name or the column number. So here we want to get total annual salary. So this is the column where we will be performing our calculations. So either we can use annual salary in double quotes. The spelling has to be exactly same. Or we can use column number, just J1. Now, criteria, this is where you define the condition that determines which records are included in the calculation. For example, we want to calculate the total salary for senior manager. So we specify the criteria like this. We will select job title and senior manager both. Bracket close, and then we press enter. So this is 561638. So if I want to include director also and get the total salary of senior manager and director, what I have to do, I will just go into the formula, and in the criteria, I will select from P2 to P4. So what will happen now, I will get the salary for senior manager and director in total. This is the total salary for senior manager and director. Now in SUMIF formula, you have to types is equal to SUMIF. So here we got three things. First is range. Range is the job title range because we want to get the total salary for senior manager. Then criteria. Criteria we will select. Let me show you. Range is we're selecting the range from here. Job title column. Then comma. For criteria, this is our criteria, and sum range is what we want to get the total of. And we press enter. So this is the salary for senior manager. So if we want to get the total salary for senior manager and director both by using SUMIF formula, what we're going to do, we're going to change the criteria from P3 to P4. Now, so now we got the salary, but they are not coming into total. They would separate. Senior manager 5,61,000, director 5,34,000. If we see the total of these two, it is 10,95,000. But we're getting them both separately. So this is the difference between DSUM and SUMIF. For DSUM, you can use multiple criteria to get the total, but in SUMIF, you cannot use multiple criteria.